back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I'm Callie, and today's video is going to be a clean and organize of my laundry room. So this is my laundry room right back here. It is basically just like a little alcove in this hallway. It's not very big. It's technically not really a room. A few years ago, we did a little makeover of it and just made it a little bit more modern and functional, and I love the way that it turned out. I will link that up above here because that's a really fun video if you want to check it out. But it had gotten a little bit messy. I'm not gonna lie. It's one of those places in my home that is just kind of forgotten about because I can close the doors and not have to worry about it anymore, but it needed to be cleaned. And I wanted to do a few fun little organizational things in there as well with my Cricut. So thank you to Cricut for sponsoring this video. I did some really fun labeling, which I'm really excited to show you guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. All right, so here's the before. This is what we were working with. Everything was just kind of out of place and cluttered, and I wanted things to look a little bit more organized and clean and put together. I also needed to clean off our dryer and clean the inside of our washing machine. It was really dirty, so I'm going to show you guys how I do that as well. But this is just, again, the before, and I'm going to start by just taking everything out of the laundry room, take everything off the shelves, and just getting everything kind of out of there so I can clean and have a fresh slate. Alright, so once I got everything out of there and all the shelves cleaned off, I really wanted to put all of my laundry supplies in really cute containers. I know that laundry supplies come in containers, but sometimes they're not the cutest, and I wanted everything to look uniformed, and so I was going to use that cereal dispenser over there in the corner, but I didn't measure my shelves height, and so they were too tall to go on my shelves, which was such a bummer because I thought it was so cute. Always measure. My husband's always telling me that, and sometimes I do and sometimes I don't, and every time that I don't, it bites me in the rear end. So I'm going to be measuring from now on. But I had these little canisters from Walmart, and I thought, well, I'll just use those, and it turned out perfect. Everything fit in there and it looks really cute. And then for my detergent, I'm just going to use this dispenser, and later on I will be making labels for all of this stuff and make it look really cute and cohesive. So then once I got everything in a container, I'm just gonna bring them back in here and put them on the shelf and just kind of start putting the laundry room back together. Alright, for my dryer sheets, I'm going to be using this tissue holder, and I never would have thought of using that for dryer sheets, but I was looking on Amazon for something that I could use, and this popped up, and just the look of it, I thought, oh, that is perfect for my laundry room. So I'm going to put all of my dryer sheets in here, and then just kind of work them up like I would a normal tissue, which is what it's supposed to be used for, and it works perfect in my laundry room. So cute. Alright, so up on the second shelf of our laundry room, we have kind of a smaller kitchen, so I don't really have an area in there to keep kitchen towels or hand towels, so I keep them in these baskets in my laundry room. Since our kitchen is right beside the laundry room, it's perfect. I can just go in there and grab one when I need it. It's also right off of our powder room, so again, it just works to have them in here. And I keep all of the hand towels and kitchen towels in one basket, and then in another basket that I have up on that shelf, I keep the microfiber cloths for cleaning as well as my steam cleaner. And then the third basket that I have on that shelf is for excess laundry detergents or dryer sheets or any other little cleaning item that I need a space for goes in that basket. So that is what I'm working on here. So then I'm gonna wash our washing machine. I know that sounds kind of crazy, but you need to wash your washing machine because it gets really gross. So I will first do a cycle of just bleach, and then once that's done, I'll go back in with a cycle of vinegar. I never do them together. And then I will just work on cleaning any kind of gook and grime that I see around the outside of my washing machine, and I'll do that later in the video, but for right now I'm gonna get this going and get these cycles going so the inside of our washing machine can be clean. Alright, so while that's doing its thing, I'm going to move on to making my labels. I'm going to use the Smart Label Vinyl, my Cricut Joy, and these pins that go along with my Cricut Joy. I love the Cricut Joy. It is small, but you can do so many different projects on it. It's so perfect for just being able to move it around your house. I love it. And so I'm going to go on to Cricut Design Space and search for labels. They have a ton of different ones to choose from. You don't have to choose one specific for laundry room items. They have a ton of different ones, but I did end up going with ones that were specifically for the laundry room. And then I just went into Design Space and kind of switched around some things that I wanted my labels to say. You can always edit it and make it functional to whatever you need it to say. So I went ahead and I made some labels for the things that I have in my laundry room. And you can always make this stuff directly from your Cricut Design Space. But I like using my phone for the Cricut Joy because it connects through Bluetooth, and I hadn't set up my computer to do the Bluetooth for the Cricut Joy yet. So I went ahead and just saved all of this, and then I'm going to move over to using my phone to actually run the Cricut Joy. So that's what I did, and I am going to load in all my materials and let the Cricut Joy go to work. I also love how user-friendly it is, that it tells you exactly what you need to do when you need to load your materials, how to load them in, if you need to change from the cutting tool to the pen and vice versa. It's just really, really user-friendly, and that's what I really love about it, and it's just so much fun to craft all of the things that you can do with your Cricut Joy. I've made a few birthday cards for people. I made all of my Mother's Day cards, my Father's Day cards. I've made baby shower cards. It's super fun, super easy to use, and there's so many different things that you can do with it. So here I'm just choosing the smart vinyl that I used. I'm going to click that, and then I'm going to click Make It, and I am going to slide in the vinyl and let it do its thing. So then once it was done cutting and making all of my labels, I went ahead and put all of my labels on the items in my laundry room that I wanted labeled. The dryer sheet one turned out super cute. The little balls, originally this said dryer balls for the wool balls that you can put in the dryer instead of dryer sheets, but I again use dryer sheets, so I just kept the icon. And then this one was for my OxiClean, and it has little clothespins up top. And then I also have one for my detergent and my scent boosters that just have like little stars. I thought those were super cute. So those are all the labels that I made with my Cricut Joy, and I think they turned out super cute. I just love how uniform everything is, and it just looks really crisp and clean. So once the washing machine was done with the bleach and vinegar cycles, I took some multi-surface cleaner, and I'm just going to go ahead and clean off the top of my dryer and get all of the lint and dust off of there. And then I am going to move on over to my washing machine and just give it a good cleaning. And then since we do have glass on the top of our washing machine and the front of the dryer door, I'm going to go ahead and give those a cleaning with my Glass Doctor cleaner as well. Once a month, I do like to take my little steam cleaner and get into little nooks and crannies in my washing machine, but I had just done that a few weeks ago, so I didn't really need to do it again. It'll probably need it here in a few weeks, but for this cleaning, it just needed a little bit of a wipe down and get any gook and grime that was just kind of sitting around on my washing machine. And so I'm just going to go ahead and use my Mr. Clean cleaner and get all of that off of my washing machine. Okay, so here's a close-up of the final product and how all of the labels turned out. I think they're super cute, you guys. I think it just really gives a nice uniform look to my laundry room, and it's a little bit cleaner than just having a bunch of detergent bottles sitting out. I also did one for my lint bin. It's just a trash can that I got from Walmart. And then again, there's my dryer sheets and a few little decorations I have over here in this corner. And then up top, I have all of our extra paper towels and toilet paper. Extra laundry detergent stuff is just up on that top shelf. And then all of my baskets with my towels and other cleaning supplies are up there as well. And yeah, it turned out really cute. I really like the way that it looks. Alright y'all, that is it for this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Again, thank you so much to Cricut for sponsoring this video. I've been having so much fun with my Cricut, you guys. Like, I make pretty much everything with my Cricut. Birthday cards, somebody's birthday is coming up, you're getting a Cricut card. If it's a baby shower, you're getting a Cricut card. Like, I am obsessed with making things for my Cricut, signs, home decor, everything. So you guys, if you're really into that stuff, I would definitely check out getting a Cricut because I have had so much fun. And I'm not just saying that because they're sponsoring this video, because I actually had my Cricut before Cricut sponsored my videos, and I am obsessed with making really fun stuff for it. So definitely check out the links down below for a Cricut if you're interested. And thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click that thumbs up and the subscribe button if you're new, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.